arthritis on my neck from all these diamond chains. I'm tryna get off 20 P's, ain't never need no fame. Back then was flipping stolos, poking windows, catching stains. Ain't stopping till I get some payback, they gon' feel my pain. Now when I pull up in that Maybach, bitches scream my name. They tryna take pictures with me, I told so my switchy. I still got used to winning, gallery that this ain't no Fendi. Bought the ones he said she missed me, tryna go put. Y'all nigga know what the day is. Wednesday, nigga, hump day. You feel me? Real shit. I ain't taking no trade unless I see my setup, unless I see some type of edge, unless I see some type of level get. You feel me? I just gotta see this shit, cause I ain't gonna lie. Looking at yesterday, it was some shit down there like 6 days ago, which was I want to say, was it the 10th? Whenever the market had went bare, whenever the market had went like real bare, yeah, I want to say that was like last Thursday. But hell yeah, man, back at this shit. We'll never stop doing this shit. We'll never stop doing this shit. Yeah, I do got some like I did try to like chart my line. I mean chart chart line. I did try to chart line. You feel me? Really tried to chart my chart for real, for real. Yeah. But I'm just, you feel me? 1% in this shit. I don't know why the hell this shit just went on the right thing. But yeah, hell yeah. In the video, this shit looking like puts on the video. I can't cap. This shit looking crazy. All these tears sparking back up, and the video was just up. Now in the video back at 106. So still gotta see what market wanna do. I do know. You feel me? I am gonna get better at this shit. It's only the first day with the charting, like all the little blue lines and shit. If you know, nigga, I ain't finna explain shit. You just gotta know what the hell I'm talking about. Real shit. But anyway, the bottom line is off the 4 hour. I want to say on all of them, but I know the bottom line off the 4 hour and the top line off the daily. Don't ask me why, but that's just how I did it. Basically the bottom line is more. You're gonna see more buyers and sellers at that bottom line. Fuck you talking about? Nah, for real though. I don't know why I did that, but it just seemed better. Try to watch a little video of somebody that I knew, Kelly OG. Yeah, and I'm trying something because these niggas don't have no chart video. I don't know why these niggas are so profitable and you feel me? They so helpful, but they don't got no damn chart video. I need to ask my nigga Brett to do a damn charting video for real, unless I'm just overlooking the link or some shit. Like I need a real charting video, for real, just to like make sure that my levels are marked right. You feel me? I was just watching my nigga Raph. Raph was like, shit, he only used the 4 hour. He used the hourly, but he don't even use the hourly like for real. He more so used the 4 hour, like the market levels and shit. And you know, I'm gonna get better at that shit too. Fucking knowing my levels from today, shit from yesterday. You feel me? All that shit.
I still holding that 530 demand. Tesla's moving back into 250.
Niggas is hell, bro. That's why I don't even know how the messages be popping up. Like one day they don't be popping up, then the next day they'll pop up. Like
the video.
I don't understand it. Risk management, A1 setup, discipline, patience, straight like that. Let's see I want to see what the Q does off this level. I believe. Oh whoa. That shit's still on the. Wait, hold on. Matter of fact, hold on. Let me see that right there. Pre-market low right here. I wonder what it does. I wonder if it go down to the pre-market low. Same with like majority of all these shit. Nah, it's already had one down. I'm just scared some shit right now. Another one. Matter of fact, I am gonna switch this shit out. I wanna do
Market's
Apple
holding pretty well though.
I ain't gonna lie. Damn, Apple off the 200 EMA. I did change that shit like that to purple. Cause every time I turn my computer on and shit, I always be thinking, cause this shit was just orange. Or yeah, this shit was orange. I don't know why, but I was like, damn, like I can't have it. I can't have it the same color as like the pre-market color and shit. So definitely want to see what Apple does at this level, this 200 level. I know it's a strong level on Apple. Um, yeah, yeah, Apple, whichever way. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, my thesis like all around the market is bear for real. I cannot lie.
Guys, I'm loading the 200 puts on Apple. Loading does not mean enter.
I like to trail that. I can't cap.
Guys, I'm loading those 533 puts.
Which one should I take, bro? Every time I'm telling you, every time I type on the right, bro, it's like I don't type AAPL. I type APPL. I don't know why, but if I come to Trading View or some shit, nigga, I'm typing the right thing, bro. It's weird. Don't ask no questions. It said 200 puts. I'm gonna load these right fast. Oops. I'm gonna do SPY 560. What do you say? I'm gonna do 0 days because I don't even like. I mean, I can do 1 days, but tomorrow is like down there like Friday. On some shit.
Yeah, I'll take 0 ET if we get there. I'm watching that ES 5400 level.
See, that boy, he different. I gotta see Mike live trade. Like, that shit could be dope. Oh, I did search up a video on like L2 and shit. Um, and like just trying to get better at the those little confluences, cause that's what they are, tools, confluences. Yeah, they pretty nice. I like the L2. I mean, now I can kind of like try to like sense of using it a little bit. You feel me? Just a little bit. I don't even 533. I can do. Yeah, I'm gonna go right here. I mean, I could do high three, but I'm really trying to stay like in the risk management. You feel me? Don't even worry about it. Like, I'm gonna be straight. You feel me? Cause this is real discipline. I swear this is real discipline. Like risk management. If you ain't got no discipline, how could you have risk management? You feel me? Like, I wanna make sure I ain't tripping. Like,
Join me for the next generation of Wall Street Week, telling stories of capitalism from business, markets, economics, tech, and climate. Each week, we'll go on the road for a look at what lies
I just
behind
I
the
thought
headlines of
I heard.
today and what will likely be the headlines tomorrow.
Above all else is a mission.
Done nothing but
I wanna see how Raph take this trade. I know he got this shit loaded. I know it's off the level technically. What was it? It was 9:30. Nigga, where the fuck did them 10 minutes just go? Damn it. So price spiked up and closed down here.
From the world of politics to the world of business, Joe Matthew and Kaylee Lines.
I'm gonna do Apple. I wanna see what Apple's doing right now. See, there I go. Oh, never mind, I did it right. Let me show y'all what. Alright, boom. Watching the top, you feel me? I'm looking at the spreads and shit. $6 off, $3. I mean 3 cents.
Not just in the syncopations triggered by inflation, but in the preludes leading to global elections, in the dissonance that moves the media
Looking at Spy.
and the rising course conducted by AI. There's music
I'm looking at Apple.
and if you want to learn
Let's see what kind of see
those
him.
are your
Like see a lot of red. I do have it capped to. I mean not capped, but minimum is 100 shares. No. Wait. Yeah, minimum is 100 shares. Bro, yeah. I do the math.
Domestically focused small companies, your relative outperformer today, but still in the red. It's time now for our top calls. Some of the analyst action in focus this morning. And first up, Target getting downgraded over at Goldman Sachs. The firm citing tariff risks and worries about discretionary spending as inflation and uncertainty takes a toll.
I did come in with music today. I probably won't come in with music tomorrow. I am on a 3-day streak with that shit. Let me know. I mean, y'all can't let me know shit, nigga. I control this shit. Oh no, I may come in with music tomorrow. I may not. Ain't about how you start, it's about how you finish. And I did talk about that $100 loss yesterday unintentionally. You feel me? Like I just could have sworn, my nigga. I could have sworn I closed my position, but apparently I didn't. Very, very, very weird. Very weird. Cause I just remember closing that shit, bro. And I look up, the shit said $100 minus 13%. You feel me? On the day, on top of what I was already losing. Like I was like, damn, like for real. But good shit. It was only like 100. Well, a one average, literally a 1-0 average. I want to say a 105 average. It's kind of crazy, but I feel like I kind of deserve that because, in a way, I was just being a little greedy. Just, but I wasn't even. Yeah, it was a little greed. It definitely was greed. It was greed, definitely. I ain't even going. It was definitely greed. But you know, look at me today. I want to see what NVIDIA does off this level. Maybe NVIDIA for puts. I cannot lie. I'm looking at it. I'm kind of. I want to say I'm understanding levels. For real, for real. Why do? Oh, I know why. Matter of fact, why don't I have SPY marked out? Like, for real, for real. I mean, I do, but I don't. Like, I know I don't have to have every fucking level marked, but hold on. Let me take it off the. Nah, I'm gonna just leave it alone. I'm gonna just leave it alone. All based
Nvidia's
off.
rejecting off 106. Apple's rejecting off 200. Tesla's rejecting off of everything's kind of rejecting off supply here across the board.
Damn, what the
Let's see what
Brett
happens
then
though.
got? Oh, I said I'm gonna just leave it alone because I wanna say
But Apple 200 is a really
I
good
know
level
like
grab. 200 in Apple.
what the hell going, but I don't. Shut the fuck up. Anyway. I want to say below 537. Shit, bare for real. I can't count. Can't count. Look in the video. Apple. I look like it fell off the 200, but it look like it's going to the 200 EMA. Let me see the hourly. Where's the 200 on the hourly? I know it's low as shit. Damn. Oh no, it's 201, 12. Wait, what? Am I tripping? Oh no, that's the dark purple. That's I want to say that's the 13 MA. Wait. Why in the fuck, bro? Why does this shit always change, bro? Like this shit is this shit. I don't be understanding this shit sometimes. I cannot cap. Like why I just can't fucking.
Market's rejecting, but let's see if this actually continues.
Why this shit just don't stay the same fucking color? Like I won't be understanding that shit sometimes. Like if I pay money for this shit should do exactly what
Yeah,
the
I
fuck I
went a
want
little
to do.
closer to that 54. Didn't get it since like 53.88.
Yeah, definitely puts. That's what I'm smelling right now. I cannot cap. But who knows? Trump drop some shit right now, make a nigga rethink everything that I just said. Nah, I'm gonna put it right here. $369.
Guys, I'm loading 520 calls on Meta.
Look in the video. Hold on, I may load the video for puts. Let me make sure this in my edge and this in my plan.
Someone needs to change their name because Rock and Rock is very confusing. A lot of folks immediately go to
That's possible,
Elon
no.
Musk startup there in their top five. But Sarah, given that you do have this interesting view into the private markets,
I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait it out.
invest as well. We're paying for
Yeah,
so
just
much
bounced up
diversity
pre-market low.
and some of the largest companies out there, nvda just being one example.
See what I did?
Seeing
That shit ain't let me. What's your name, bro?
and private markets
She didn't let me
landscape.
pre-market low. What? Hold on.
Guys, I got filled on Meta. 385 is my average.
Move down and move down. I mean, I thought this was the move down or the low. I guess this the low because it opened. This where it opened. It's not. I don't know. After hours, before hours, I don't give shit. But I guess you can call this the pre-market low, but technically wasn't it? Yeah, this was Tuesday. I wonder why you called it the pre-market low. If that was what's the name? And if wait, what day was it? Yeah, it was Wednesday, right? Yeah, 4 o'clock. Boom. Shit open down here, move down, move up. Wouldn't this be the low, the pre-market low, instead of technically this? I don't know. Let me know. But if he said that's the pre-market low, he got way more fucking experience than me, so he got it. Look at the video. I ain't even click on that shit. Yeah, say I'm gonna load the video, but
Be Amazon. I like this Amazon chart.
shut up, nigga. Cause as soon as I get off
Well,
Amazon,
176 I am.
niggas want to talk about Amazon.
ETFs
They want to talk about Amazon yesterday.
ETF IQ only.
I want to see a wick of this area, guys. Keep your guns ready. I'm going to enter this position.
It's a nice H though.
And we're here, where the action starts in Sydney and in Tokyo. Get ahead as the global trading day begins. The Asia Trade, weekdays only on Bloomberg.
From our studios in New York and San Francisco, our expert hosts have the data and analysis from the companies you know and the startups to watch, plus the interviews you don't want to miss. Watch Caroline
Whoa,
Hyde
whoa,
and
whoa.
Bloomberg Technology, the only daily business show dedicated to tech. Right in the
Whoa,
middle of
yeah, I'm
the
getting
trading
distracted
action.
right now.
Today, only on
Hey,
Bloomberg Television.
nigga on the. Never mind, I ain't even
Context
gonna.
changing
ain't even gonna say that.
earnings season is here.
Hell no.
Can't wait. It's like opening presents.
Y'all can't see, but I can. Like a lot.
Let Bloomberg
Yo, bro, what the fuck, man? All right, let me tell you, man. This is my actual job. Like, you feel me? Can we playing around for real? I do like this. What's the name? It did close below VWAP.
Let's see what SPY does here at 5:30.
Look what it did
5:30
off this
support on
level.
SPY today.
I ain't gonna lie. I like the damn. I like the video for put. Feel me? And I like it above the zone too. I'm gonna wait for a candle to kind of probably retest it, and then I'm gonna go in 106. I'm gonna do 106.
nvda falls 6%, it's going to drag the indexes down with it. It is not a small cap by any means, and that is maybe why the Russell isn't feeling the pain. You see other chip makers or chip making adjacent companies, Micron, ASML, and AMD all down bigly as well. Tesla off 2.5%.
Be ready, guys.
It's up to 5 minutes. Hold on, my baby.
Stock, this car basically was one of the big
See how the hourly kind
Alright, I
of
did my ad, guys.
15%
340 is my average.
Oh shit! Look at SPY.
My stop is going to be under 5.7.
It's good to stay on the sideline. That's what I got it back in my head. It's good to stay on the sideline. Like, yo, it's good, bro. You gotta always, close on the view out. I just like this. I just like this out there on the 5 minute. But I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait it out. I'm gonna wait it out. Oh shit, let me that was real FOMO. Matter of fact, shit, I fuck around change this shit to Microsoft. What is niggas talking about? See, look, under 200 EMA, 15 minute, 5 minute. What does it do? Straight red. So no entry for real. No entry for real. Microsoft is pure red. Oh, let me pull up the heat map and shit over here and shit.
I'm gonna look at Amazon. Jokes.
Extreme Fear 21. Shit red as hell right now. And the video down 5% is crazy. I have to refresh that shit, make sure I was looking at the right thing.
We're at support here though on SPY. I want to give it a second. I would actually prefer
Yeah, I
Amazon.
want to see this candle engulf the previous one, guys. If it does, I think we could get a really big move up.
Bro, y'all should see my left, bro. My nigga, I am a real trader, my nigga. Y'all should see my screens right now, bro. Like, you feel me? I'm a real trader, my nigga. I've been doing this shit forever. You hear me? What does it do? What does it do at this damn level? Does it go back up? Retest? Let me know. I think you really can tell. I could just leave it off the 15 minute and just if you go back up, sort of like, you feel me? Go back up, come down, but I feel like you still would have to see off the 5 minute. I don't know. Testing and tuning. Feel me? Damn, I want that shit to go back up for me to like really get in. Like, or some type of retest.
That
Like
has to bounce here. It's actually good if it bounces here. 530, one spot is big. I don't want to short it.
I wonder.
Yeah,
Wait, I wonder if this
see if it's actually
break
break.
and
If it
retest.
breaks,
I wonder
then
if this
short.
like was the
That's where it
retest,
counts.
like one of these candles. But what is this? 15. You still got 2 minutes to
530 still
close.
big. Bend.
I ain't even going. No, that's forcing shit. That's forcing shit. Feel me? I got the conviction. Just wait for the setup. You feel me? Just wait for the setup. Feel me? Just wait it out, thug it out. You know. This Sunset too, some micro nigga out there and got down to the low. I ain't even know that car. I told my man would stay right there. Ain't gonna lie, this is like a nice entry. Somewhere around here. Ain't gonna lie, look like some continuation. I got it. Yeah, ain't gonna say I gotta get in, but just gonna sit back and wait, man. But it just look like a very, very good setup. See how that shit ain't even go up. What is this? It's all good. When I get in the trade, you still gotta keep that same mindset. Don't forget. It look like Q's want to break. Let's see what they do at that level though. You see, cause it went up. I'm telling you, bro. I ain't fucking off. It went up to it kind of. You see this shit? It kind of went up to right there. That shit ain't never. You feel me? Let's see.
I'm just gonna go ahead and load the Amazon 175 puts.
You might well just low push for
I got
anything.
this too. But I just want to see if they can actually clear under 176. Same with SPY 530 too.
$25 for a ski mask. I was on the clock really getting no motherfuckers off. This F on the wheel and this F on the car. This is a 6-figure vehicle. I'm doing 200. What? Yeah, it look like all these shit just doing the same thing right now. But yeah, I'm definitely seeing this shit.
Alright, I also loaded the same puts on Amazon 175 puts.
Guys, I'm just going to stop out here. Not down much, but I just want to see this candle form and then we can re-enter. Down like 12%, but just keep this steady.
Let me make sure all the hourlies off the. Wait, I ain't gonna
This
lie.
candle can get above 508.
I think this shit's still green.
Again.
I mean, I do got H&M, J&W on my paper. I cannot lie. I cannot lie. It gotta go with something on the right of this shit though, like level reject, hammer, fucking EMA, nigga. It gotta be with something, nigga. It gotta be with something.
Yeah, the market's reacting to data here too.
Oh shit, I forgot. 10:30. Yeah, 1:30. Hopefully a weak view app on the video. Let's see what it do out this
Yeah, that's
288.
booked out for nothing, but let's see.
Should I get in on the cues for real? It never end. See, I almost went up to this what's it name, that level. Let me see, it's like yeah.
The administration refused to comply with a Supreme Court order to bring Kilmar Abrego Garcia.
One thing I was telling myself yesterday, I was like, wait till like the last 3 minutes or whatnot. But You gotta get in like once you know, bro. Like I really could have got in on Apple off this 200 failure because I just know this level is a strong level on Apple, but now I look back down and
See
see
if we can
like
get a little entry
I
here
could
on
have got in.
Amazon.
I could have got in, but it's all good. Could have,
Sorry to
should have.
reject off that 176.
Gary Shapley testified before Congress. The Biden
All right, guys, I got filled again.
the U.S. Attorney's Office in Delaware impeded his
My average is
told
295.
CBS in 2023.
Same size, I'll have lower desktop.
Investigative steps we weren't allowed to take that could have led us to.
Look at the cues. I like the cues. I'm gonna unload the cues too. Just because I don't got no level on spot for real, but cues right there. 48. I'm gonna do 4 right here. Should I get any money? No, I'm just keep my average. My average the same. Do 50p. Seeing a lot of puts right now on the cues. I cannot lie. Seeing a lot of puts right now on the cues. Hold on. I just can't get filled off nothing though. I mean, if I get filled, yes. This right here, failure below this trend line. Below VWAP, close below VWAP, boom. Look like some type of retest with this candle, but let's see how it close. 5 minute. This I'm
Yo,
supposed to
we're
trade
sitting at
every day.
support right now on SPY. This is
y'all
the
can hear this.
530 support on SPY.
Being patient, just waiting.
Yeah, that's the only reason I'm not jumping into Amazon yet.
I don't even know what the fuck they say. I don't even. It's cool though. Definitely seeing a lot of puts on SPY. I cannot lie. You see green, but you see more puts. I got the Q's on both my charts. Goddamn. Let me put. I'm gonna just leave. I'm gonna put in the video. I'm putting the video. I'm putting the video. I feel like the video could do something. Let me check nvda. Look at that retail. What is this on?
Just over 105,000 people live in Green Bay, Wisconsin. 250,000 visitors are expected next week for the NFL draft. Local officials
Oh wow, look at Google.
Wisconsin to cover 1.25 million in public safety costs.
You just can't be too safe, and we want everybody to realize that they will be safe when they come here.
Google looks very interesting. I'm gonna keep that in my back pocket. Amazon talking about. See how I'm waiting? I'm waiting patiently. See, I probably can change my average now too. Probably can go for 8. Definitely can change my average a little bit.
This is Bloomberg Intelligence with Alex Steele and Paul Sweeney.
The real outperformance has been in U.S. corporate high yield.
Are the companies lean enough? Have they trimmed all the fat?
That level on SPY is maintaining at 530.
We got a lot
Good
of
patience on Amazon so far.
Do investors like the M&A that we've seen?
Market's still trying to hold demand, so.
The window between the peak and cut changing super fast.
This candle wicks back below 176. I'll get an entry. Let's see.
I don't even got Amazon loaded on my watch
That is
list.
sweep under 530 and reclaim on SPY.
Hold on. Apple. I got Apple puts, but damn. Niggas gotta go do loop for real. Shit crazy. Let's see what they do out there. Look like they're trying to go up to the 5 EMA. Let's see. On the Qs. I want to say that's off the 5 minute. It is.
Yeah, Eric, I missed the SPY short, but it was still over $1 from my level. I can't really scout when 0DT.
I might just click over and, load that shit. Matter of fact. Can I copy this and do it like this? No. Because all of them are linked.
By actually holding really well after failing under 530 be claiming, that probably will help other betas today.
No facts, what the fuck?
I was buy short on Amazon, but to me SPY looks like a long, so I just want to be patient. I want to see what's going to happen here.
Can't go short at demand.
No.
Nice re-entry on Meta, really.
Nigga probably got up and walked away. I'm trying to figure out how do these niggas know this is fucking supply? Cause look, you could have shorted this shit right here. What was this? No, never mind. I thought that was like a couple weeks ago. Yeah, we did 2 ago.
Oh, guys, sorry, I was muted. I took a trim there, guys, 14%. So what I want to do is 50750 as my best. The contracts are not moving for some odd reason. That's what I was kind of asking. Sorry, I was muted. I was talking to myself and a few things. So now we got a perfect reject of that 510. What I want to see happen is next candle we just reclaim that 510. Okay?
What is
So
NVIDIA?
50750 is the
Talk
best.
to me.
I'm sorry I was muted, guys, but the move did play out like we thought it would.
I thought you were just locked the hell in, Rav. He was just fully locked in.
How am I killing you guys? You're still green. For some reason, I think the IBDK caught up to all these call contracts right now.
I think SPY looks good.
That's why we didn't see like 20-30%. They could have been 20. Okay, now what I want to see is this candle eclipse at 510 here. Let's see if that plays out. If that plays out, this is a good go. This will go up.
I think 532 now is going to be really important in SPY. If we can get above 532, then possibly just trend higher all day. If we tap 530 again, then we fail it. So.
Okay, 532 is at 200 EMA.
It's 532 probably is view up as well. Yeah, it is. It's like almost view up. But that 530 demand is a big spot today. I'm happy I didn't go load the boat and clicks into that support.
Being impatient. Woohoo! I feel real good right now. I cannot lie. I feel amazing. I don't know where this shit coming from, but I just feel so good right now. Like I got good energy, good thoughts, positive outlook. I just feel good right now.
It is big forming of a 507. So see, risk is $10.
It's failing below.
$15 on the downside.
Failing below.
All right.
Let's see how this kind of closes.
Perfect. If this candle can close above
I mean, we can chill on a
5 minute,
5 minute. It's the last 5 minute candle.
we have room at the 512 and then 515. That's the ultimate target, but
Let's
this
see what
has
it
to
do.
hold here.
I want
We
to see
got
if
3
it
minutes to
keep
go.
going up or not. We'll keep that same width. Yeah.
Market's holding.
Damn, I should let y'all heard
Market's
that.
trying to hold.
Anyway.
If we are going to see a recession or see people kind of slowing their discretionary spending, what that means for this kind of company.
Two forecasts.
Yeah, I
Two
know.
forecasts. They said pick one. We'll see
What I was trying to say, I wanted to see if that candle wick was going to stay right there and possibly go back down.
Bentley Lipschultz, thank you so much. We appreciate
But we'll see.
Lipschultz, equity supporter for
I see how to kind of close for real.
For more conversations
Wake
like
in.
this, listen to our
Wake in
new
people
Stock
at.
Movers podcast. Subscribe for
I got cues on my right and the video on my left.
Listen to Stock Movers on Apple, Spotify.
Let me show y'all what I'm talking about.
You get your podcast. Well, one of the names that Bailey was just talking about is nvda. Stock trading down hard. They're going to take a
The video might be like the one to get in. I cannot cap.
charge. Let's break this down.
Either one.
Let's see what happens here with Amazon. Amazon fails back under that candle low, that 175.80. That would trigger a short for me.
Why are they taking this write down specifically, and how surprising was it?
Well, it was a surprise in the sense that they're, stopped or barred from selling their H20 chips with the prior administration approved, and now they're required to get another license. I mean, where you could see, the maximum impact is in terms of what happens with the guide. And look, the consensus numbers didn't.
I made like this one.
Yeah, I get 176 here.
We had the tariff uncertainty for the last couple of weeks. The consensus was around 55% growth for nvda this year. Now, when you look at this kind of news where they're gonna lose almost $15 billion.
I wasn't even looking. Hey, I wasn't even looking. What's the name? I was looking to my right. I was looking at
I was struggling at the 8 EMA.
Fuck, I was looking at Thompson Sales. And I looked to my left. I seen a whole bunch of red, and I looked to my left, and shit just fucking halted a little bit, just a little tiny bit.
I can see how China will be a much smaller market given.
So let's I ain't gonna lie. I feel like
Keep your finger on the trigger, guys.
yeah, I feel like getting in right now. I cannot lie. What it is? I wonder if I can pull my average. Okay, 2.5 will be my average if I get in.
Wait,
I like
seconds.
this. I'm gonna get in. Bro, you fucking bitch. I always forget to do that. I'm sorry. Anyway, I like this.
The semi-cap equipment vendors like ASML and the other fab-related vendors.
Alright, I just got filled at Amazon at 1.93.
Their own fabs. Remember, these are the ready chips that they're using for AI. They're also investing in fabs. So you have to ask yourself.
Yeah, my stop's probably gonna be like right at VWAP. We'll see.
My risk is going to be 176.30 though.
Much bigger if this escalates, and nobody knows the answer right now.
So of course we know nvda is the golden star of the group. Everyone looks to them, and expectations remain high for them. How much do you expect this news to actually change or
Put the
alter
cues,
earnings
cause
expectations?
I'm in it.
We know that
I'm
those
gonna put it.
will
I'm gonna put it.
in May.
I'm gonna have
Do
this
you
up.
expect
So
this
look.
to change
See
any
my
sort of
screen
outlook
right
or
now.
earnings from the company?
Yeah, so the good thing when it comes to modeling NVIDIA's revenue
Oh
is
shit! I know.
there are four main hyperscalers here in the US that contribute about 45% of their revenue.
Fuck! I didn't mean to do that.
The two of them have reaffirmed their capex.
Fuck
We're
me.
going to learn from Microsoft and Meta when they report earnings if they will keep their numbers intact for the full year. Overall,
I didn't change my what's the name. That's okay. No, okay. Now I can see it. Okay, cool. I didn't change my watch list. I had messed up yesterday and did this. I didn't change because I just changed it. I moved it down a tick. So I have to change it. I have to change it
Still,
somewhere.
guys,
I'm
it's low.
gonna get better.
See how this plays out. I think they're doing something here. These cons are like not holding as well as we thought it would. They're like burning like crazy. Levels are holding, but cons are not holding.
Yeah, I got filled in.
I'm like 5%
I'll just
right now.
keep 5 or 6
Damn, I like Nvidia too. I think Nvidia off the 5 minute though. It is, but it's cool.
I want to see if we can get a reclaim on the wick here to add back
Wick
into
right there
so that
at
we can
VWAP.
take from.
Now you gotta see how the
I wanna
next
see how
candle
this
close
plays
for
out.
me to get in. I mean, but it's conviction for to get in for real. But
No, they're gonna reverse.
I can see this shit. Damn, I can see this shit. Damn, I can see this QQQ struggling at this level. But let's see. It could just go.
And that's where equipment sales, then it's pretty much saying, okay, China could in theory build a fab that's comparable to TSMC.
I feel very confident in this trade. I cannot lie.
And create their own chips. They don't need to buy from nvda and AMD. And that's my point about the wider export restrictions when it comes to what China is able to procure. But ASML is a durable monopoly like nvda is when it comes to the equipment side. Every company that uses the latest EUV technology relies on ASML to buy their.
And ASML ships to China, right?
They have a 30% plus revenue exposure to China.
These cons, these runners, whatever it is, down 15% right now. I want to see if we can add back into it, guys. Let's see.
Based on Holland. Okay, Mandeep Singh, complex global geopolitics starting to see some of the financial.
Yeah, it is fine. All right, guys, add it back to my position. Same size now. What's my original size? My average is 273. It was 295 before, now it's 273.
Somebody just need to come fucking flood this shit with a whole bunch of subs. Short the fuck out. Come on, y'all. Tighten up. I ain't gonna lie though, I do the market level out on SPY. I think I said that yesterday and laughed about it, but it ain't no laughing matter.
Up 6% in Amazon, 7%.
I'm up 5.
Amazon rejecting off the 176 now. Just needs to follow through.
Needs to lose that pre-market low, 175.60.
175.60. Yeah, a little after hours low. Is that pre-market or after hours?
Pre-market.
Pre-market, yeah, you're right.
See? Nigga break. Hey, I'm trolling. A nigga just sold. A nigga just brought 1,000, 1,600 fucking contracts. Holy. What is this little move right here? Ooh, excuse me. But this is a strong ass level. Like it can break it coming off the what's the name, but I'm guessing it don't have like no momentum. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm gonna be hearing that a lot.
Wow, these contracts are moving very weird.
We're almost green here.
No, facts. How the fuck I'm
on
doing?
Amazon?
Looking at demand.
I don't understand the contract movement today, but I'll just let it up for
I look up and I'm down
volatility.
like 15%. Nigga, how?
I got $10 in the green here, guys. I'm gonna hold. I'm just gonna follow the plan. Levels of holding, contract movement we just can't control, unfortunately. Good candle there.
I want to see us fail off 176.30 though. That's my risk on this.
Let me go in and just put my finger on the trigger for that sell button.
If I get
probably
stopped, I'll look for a re-entry. That's my mindset here. SPY's still trying to maintain that 530, which is
I'm definitely looking for a re-entry, possibly. What we gonna see though? Let's see.
76.40 breaking.
20. I'm out 19%.
Patience for a second
I
here.
had to get out. That's discipline, bro. I just had to get out. But I'm looking for a re-entry.
Come on, come on, come on.
A little puzzled. I ain't gonna lie. But looking at it now,
The issue is still
I mean, I
is
guess.
that 530 on SPY.
But this shit, bro,
That's
this shit
that
just
profit
looked too
zone.
good, though, bro. It looked too good. No biggie. Let me finish this right fast. Then okay.
I may just give it to that candle high, this 176.50.
I probably could
If
have
that's
stayed
what I'll
in.
do. I'll give it to 176.5.
The video look like it's just making a fucking a move up and then a move fucking down.
Let's go 5 times. Let's go. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. What is up with today's premiums, man? It's just like crazy.
The EMA and SPY is where we're at right now.
I want to see a failure here. This candle high is messed up.
Bro, that candle can close like that out the what is that? Out the 5 minute. I would love for this candle to close like that. That'd be
Not a
cool.
lot of liquidity
Cause I'd just be waiting for this shit to move back down.
Especially we were. We're up like close to 10% here now. 7-8%. I'm holding. I'm not selling.
Damn. I would have been down probably like 27% right now. For real. That's so crazy because I was looking over, right, and it wasn't lining up with what I was seeing on the chart. Unless I was looking at the wrong thing. I don't know, but I was looking at the right thing. I was looking at the right thing.
SPY holding demand here is the issue.
I seen a whole bunch of
Amazon
red
looks good,
multiple
but the problem
times.
is
It seen a little green, but you seen majority red.
on SPY,
So
good thing we didn't add to
no
it.
big
Mark
deal.
about 509, guys. Let's see what
I
the
mean, I ain't the only one that just probably took a L.
Come on, we can push.
That shit just look too good,
It's a
though,
hold
bro.
on SPY. That is an absolute trap on SPY.
Yeah. Still confident, though. No kill.
Patience though, guys. We may re-enter.
So break got stopped out.
Or look for
Oh yeah, break got stopped out 18%.
Drop on SPY.
And he got in after I got in, like probably like
10% here, guys.
a couple seconds after I got in. He got in on Amazon,
Let's
but
see if you
you
can
know.
fucking take that 510. It's
It's all
insane.
good.
The last time it took 510, the contracts were at 360. Right now it's 305.
No, that was not that damn
I
paper.
just can't even explain.
That was something else.
It looks like a trap. Honestly, it just looks like a trap across the board for shorts.
I ain't gonna lie, hell yeah, it do. Probably. More like.
So, Mark, I guess is there just as we kind of get into the teeth of earnings season here, what's the earnings risk?
But you know what? I'll be right back. Give me a minute. Alright, I come back and first thing I hear is this nigga Brett fucking he getting in the tree.
Playing my levels here.
So I don't know where the fuck I left off at. I don't know. Fucking 19% on the Qs. Hey, it wasn't even no bad trade, bro. I would not be mad at that trade. Not one bit. I don't care. I won't be mad at that. But I know I can learn.
Sorry, am I in zero
from
DDs?
that.
Hold on a second.
I want to see this push here, though.
Shit, my mistake, guys. I entered zero DDs on SPY, but I'm gonna also take the 1 days.
This shit look nice. This shit is in between the
I'm in the
fucking
5
VWAP
with
and
a
the 8.
signal.
I mean, VWAP in 5.
I'll go for the 537 1DDs. I'm in the 537 1DDs. Average cost 2.25.
Nigga in that bit. Nigga in that bit overly clicking.
I'm literally just going long with a stop loss under 531. So that's my intention here. If it breaks 531, I stop
Bro,
out.
if he going long on spot, I can go long on the Qs. Let's be real. Let's be fucking real. That shit is insane, bro. These niggas with dead ass dinner had the same fucking candle, yo.
Just letting you guys
I mean
know
the same patterns. Mostly, majority artists they would have some type of the same pattern. Like one might have a flag and one might have a pendant. You feel me? Like it get like that.
Pretty clean case example of shorts getting trapped. So that's why kind of flipping my bias here. But we'll see.
Doji. So let's see what this candle do. What this candle does.
Because I'm gonna have trailing stop as break even for us now.
What it do? What it does?
Still kind of just hovering 15 to 17%. Yes. They just got to take this price and they just like I don't know what the hold up is.
Damn, I had Apple, but no, it's not. Hold on.
That's not the way free speech
This one is quick. I don't know what the fuck is wrong.
free
Are they trying to get another trap here? Let's see.
So I got a doji on. We gotta have a no doji.
Remember, by Congress. It is not the prerogative of the executive branch with 3 days notice, with no hearing, no judicial review, no transparent.
I'm being very patient right now. I don't see no edge, no setup, so I ain't gonna take nothing. I mean, I could possibly get filled on Qs, but I have to wait for this shit to go back down.
So Larry, give us a sense of what, as a practical matter, this will mean if it continues.
Yeah, man, contracts all across the board are as today.
You know that $53 billion.
Man, that's not no excuse, bro. I should still be in this bitch doing some type of something. You hear me? I see exactly where I gotta do the 20%. You feel me? 20 both ways. For real.
Come on, please go now.
This shit like it wanna go down, bro. It's like an up move. Damn.
But potentially, if the U.S. government goes to war with our great universities, it means a sharp reduction in the kind of
Down 5% on mine. I want to see if 531 can hold. That's my intention here. As long as it holds 531, I'm long SPY.
Told the video looked like the one to get in. I ain't gonna lie, I could, cause based off the doji and this shit is, it's looking like it's want to close. You feel me? Looking like you want to close under VWAP. It was still under VWAP, but just being patient. 1, 2. Wait, ain't gonna lie, this might be a flag. Oh no. It could be though. Only
Yeah,
reason I
I
say
just want
that.
to see this candle turn green now. I want to see it
I mean, y'all
hold.
can see this shit too, right?
We need like actual continuation. We don't want to just see this wick and stagnant here. Right?
Maybe it got to come down like a little
But it's
more for
looking
this
good,
shit to
right?
be a
Look at the price
flag.
action. We're seeing yet another wick
Just
off
a
the
little more.
531. Just has to see some continuation. Look at
And
Amazon.
then go
Amazon's
back
holding
up.
view up now.
I don't know. I don't know why I be saying I don't know. Nigga, I do know. But that is what it looked like to me. I'm not trying to force anything though. Maybe a little. It's like it's almost there. It ain't that yet. But that's up to 5 minutes. Damn. I said that shit too, bro. I said this shit like the one to get in. Nah, for real. What the fuck?
That's the purple kill. Still green on these funds. I just want to make sure levels are holding. I just don't get it. There's like lots of liquidity in these areas. It's gonna pop. I just know that it's just a matter of time. Right. That's a nice candle.
I am green here in SPY, guys. If you're nervous, I'm seeing people nervous in the chat. I'm up 6%.
See, bro.
I'm not taking profit though.
They've been told Brett don't even look at it. Mike been saying, yo, the new wave. Don't even look at the chat when you trade. Telling you, Brett just got Brett is helpful, bro. Yeah, bro. You got it. So I love this little. I like these niggas, bro. It's we have different outlooks. You feel me? We got 5 different outlooks. And shit like that.
I'm gonna hold, guys. The remaining position. I know when risk is $10 maybe. From here on the remaining.
Look at Apple. Look like it want to make a run.
Just following plan.
I really do think this should go though. Like I just look at the charts. I look at every single beta today. It should go. Like it shouldn't stagnate here. If it doesn't go, then I just have to accept my risk. Up 10% on 1 days now. All right, I'm gonna take some trims on 1 days at 10%. Up 17% at 0 days too. I just took a little bit off, just so I don't bleed today if I'm wrong, right? Just take a little bit of trim, and you can follow that same stop loss as me. I am still gonna hold as long as we're above 531 though. That's my intention. But if you got killed with me or you added at that 531, you should be green.
Hold on. No, it's not. But they do look good just based off.
I can't control if SPY doesn't go though. That's it.
These candlewicks do look good. Doji, then this shit green. Shit went all the way down, closed right here. It do. Closed above VWAP, never went back under VWAP. Let me keep my eye on the prize. I'm looking at the video. It could possibly go back up. I mean, that shit just faked the hell out of me, bro.
Go up, Brett. Yeah. I mean, I think it should, right? But just take your risk off so you can at least match your.
But on the 15, this shit just look regular.
But I think we should see 533 plus.
Bro, Apple is known for that, bro. I didn't see Apple do this shit so many times. Like this
if
little.
If you're a bear shorting this,
like, bro.
I would be sweating. I would be sweating. I would be like, I feel how a bear would feel right now.
But that was Apple shot.
Nigga, you was just bear, nigga.
Up 16% on 0 days. Up like 11% with 10. Oh, SPY 1 days are barely moving now. If you want to be real smart now, you could use that 531.80 as a stop loss. Just use VWAP as a stop loss.
It's trying 510 here again, guys.
There you go.
Do
Nice.
they like?
Taking
Am
more
I
trades
tripping?
now on SPY. Up
I don't give a fuck what a
22%.
nigga say, bro.
There you go. Fuck yeah. Okay.
Maybe. Or hold on.
22% on 0.
Fucking hate that shit.
26% on 0 days. 14% on 1 days. Now my risk is going to be 531.80. That was a good flip. You guys saw that, right? Like we got trapped. That's the thing. We got trapped up on Amazon, but we saw the trap, right? And I can promise you other people got trapped up. Now let's see if we can actually build above 533.
My ass clicking. Bro, what the fuck am I doing? Hold on. Hey, hold on.
Yeah, I lost 2K in that Amazon too. That was stupid, but
Damn, this shit look beautiful.
it looked really
outside,
good.
yo.
Just got trapped up.
Jungle, nigga. That shit back. Yeah.
I'm gonna follow my stop loss now, 531.80 as trail stop.
Oh, my bad. I had to get up right fast because I don't know what the fuck I was just doing. I like this shit, bro. I don't care. I like the video for short. Do we need them levels though? We need them. We need them confluences. We need them confluences.
Still like this 510, guys.
Look at Apple at the two.
Still haven't gotten like big push over this level here.
15 minute EMA.
Following blank.
Some type of
Yeah, we're
strong
green.
support, supply, demand.
Not much, but we're green. So
You
just
feel?
trim some, hold the trail stops. Do not risk everything. Price action's not yesterday. Come on, push.
It has to clear this shit, bro. I just want to be in it when it clear that shit, though. That's the thing. Well, I mean, what?
So basically now, SPY is bullish as long as we're above 532. I would even give it as far as 531.80. So I'm gonna hold my longs as long as we're there. But
Ain't
I'm
gonna
out
say
about
this look like
80%
head and
of my position
shoulders.
already. So just holding runners now. Let's see how far runners can go.
No, okay.
Retail sales data today. I guess there was some.
Brett did say above. What's the name for calls? Above that 532. Look what NVIDIA's doing.
A 1 mile 32. The thing is, you can't like you can't let it stress you, right? You have to just take your shots. Right? Amazon is a trade I would have taken 10 times over. Just hit the shot. That's it.
I like
Right?
fucking, what's the
you
name
climb
of
the level.
this right
Like
here.
the next setup, you can make it back.
Let's see.
If you adapt quickly to a losing trade, after a losing trade, you'll be fine.
On we go. Alright, finally coming bids over 510 here, guys. Maybe this is it.
1-3. What?
I think you're gonna
I'm
get
gonna
less.
get even closer to the money.
Like, I just want these contra. Fuck yeah, man. Finally. Alright. 511 now. Alright. Manage your position, guys. Not
Oh.
much, but I hope the contracts start pumping now.
Damn, I should delete the whole thing. Hold on.
19% here. The remaining I'll just have like I can't control
Damn,
it.
Apple, what
It's
the
like these
fuck?
contract movements are shit. We should be like 20-30% up on this. But this is just
Yeah, Apple got some weird ass
kind
what's
of down. I'll just have my trail stop at 509 now.
Let's put
Again.
some-
This has to go. If it doesn't go, it's not gonna go.
This hasn't been the easiest week of trading. As long as you guys survived this week, that's an accomplishment.
Bro, I done heard that shit too many times, bro. I'm back at this shit, bro. What good nigga talking about, bro? Survive the week, man. I got one more day, bro. I'm trying to get down. Get back what the hell I just lost, bro. for real. No spell. But nah, honestly though, shit ain't hard. People just make it hard. For real.
Yeah, like Monday, Tuesday, today is just definitely tough. We're managing pretty well though, given the conditions.
Hold on. Apple.
Following game plans, following stops, following the plan in general. So now 531.80 has to hold on SPY. That's my trail stop.
Like it's rejecting off this level. Let's see if it go back above VWAP. And it said that too. It said that this level as well.
SPY is still bullish as long as it holds that level.
It's gonna get like a Hulk in the market. 509 trail stop there. It's still like almost $20 in the green here. But that wick kinda, I hope that's a good sign. Let's see. I don't want to jinx anything.
I may get in close above VWAP 5 minutes. 10 more seconds to go. 10 minutes. Hold on. 10 minutes off this shit. Let's see. Cause it has to clear this level. I just want to see what kind of movement it gets in the video. Hold on. It's like I know I could have gotten in the video. Is this not fucking possibly like what pattern is this? Like nigga, this shoulder head. Fuck is you talking like, bro? I mean, but look at SPY. That shit closed above. You feel me?
So my trail stop is still holding, but it's going to be around break even for me on my contracts. I think SPY still looks good. Trend is still intact.
Man, fuck this.
A lot of you guys have to size, make sure you guys size with enough capital to leave room for other trades in the day, right? If you just size for the first trade of the day, and that trade doesn't work out, you're gonna
make that fucking hook,
be
nigga.
Scrambling.
For real. Like I'm seeing this shit, bro. Like I'm
It'd
just
be nice
seeing
for
this
all
shit,
the first
bro.
trades to be green, but it's like not always the case. Sometimes you get the first read wrong, right?
Boom, boom, boom.
Would you add to SPY with those strong? Yeah, I mean, look, I would. The way I would trade SPY is just be long as we're above 531.80. So if you want to add, you can add and just have a tight stop loss below, right? but I like my entry the most, so I'm not gonna do anything. I'm just gonna keep it the same. I'm back green again. Pretty nicely, but I just want to see how far these runners can go.
I like Apple based off if it clears above. Not clears above. Shit, it closed above. You feel me? It just, what is this? Like it's kind of
You
rejecting
get
off.
it, Joe.
It's
They're only
low.
up 10% now. These funds.
It's saying whoa.
They're up by about 5-10. I just
But
want
now,
to start picking it up because it's just like insane amount of
I'm
data.
still seeing.
What time are they gonna flip them out? This is crazy.
I just want to believe because I don't want to buy when it's high. You feel me? That shit wouldn't be too good. That's why I feel so good about this shit. You feel me? It just VWAP.
We have Powell speaking today as well at 1:30.
You can consider this an engulfing, correct? Right? This is an engulfing. Possibly should have seen that. But let's see, make it look like it's probably making a divot down. I'm shaking my head right now because why in the hell? I could have shorted the fuck out this shit, bro. I seen it right here, bro. Say, oh God, I didn't see it right here. You feel me? When it was rolling down, you know. I'm gonna get in. On
532.
Most likely Apple though.
Want to see a hold here? I'm back to break even across the board.
A lot of people probably selling at this level. I am gonna be patient though. I mean, you can just look at nvda and just tell it's going down. Like, no matter how, bro. That's me. That's me for not taking that shit. Even though, even after I said keep my eyes on the prize, nvda.
1 second here. I want to see if we can flash reclaim. Contracts back to break even.
Hopefully start making a pattern. No cap. It got the leg up, the move up.
Yeah, definitely not fully convinced yet. So it looks like they want to hold it.
I credit myself right now for being overly patient. No cap. I cannot lie. Cause I know I could have jumped in the video, bruh. I just know I could.
It's good that it does stuff like that though. Like it breaks under VWAP, gets shorts all interested. Oh, we're gonna go back to 0, and then Flick reclaims it, right? The idea is definitely still there, right? The long idea is definitely still there in the market. Back green again. Don't be too greedy though. Make sure you guys have taken trims just so you can follow trail stops and not make the trade go red. But that 531.50 is going to be my actual hard stop now. 531.5.
Yes, Eric, still here. Just watching. They're just playing games. Just look at the hindsight, look back at the market, they're just playing games in these areas. The premium moments are just crazy. I just, like, it's across the board. It's not just one stock. Everything is moving like that.
I want to see the damn heat map. What the heat map talking about?
Open or nothing.
I clicked on that damn fear and greed. Shit at 19. The video down 6%.
We're like $4 away from our entry level, so we're four. It should be 4 deltas in the green, but we're still sitting close to break even now at these levels. That's how the decay. That's how bad the decay is today. Not a trade. It's just.
Bro, that shit need to go up just a tad, bro. Make a flag or a fucking pendant. It don't matter. It do not matter.
Let the trade do its thing without a worry. But let's see. So still holding.
I don't want to close above this shit yet.
Sorry.
Not yet.
20%. Still trying to follow this read. I want to see if it can actually continue. I really don't feel bad now. I feel like this is good.
I'm looking at this shit. I can't count. But I don't know. It kind of just open.
Push out that 533.
Kind of just open. Don't get phone. Before you get nothing. More market movers, listen to me. I know what I'm talking about. So the liquidity, the liquidity down here, nigga. Don't even touch it. Let's go back to the top, my baby. Anybody can tell you. Anybody can tell you. Nigga, they know, nigga. They ain't gonna be too surprised when they, yeah. Just listen to me, bro. It's gonna go up, do this little move. It's gonna come back down a little bit. Then it's gonna fucking skyrocket. Watch. Watch. Listen. Listen, Linda, listen. I got some chips right here. Yo, this shit got a nigga. This shit got a nigga like, I'm finna watch some fishing videos.
Right, I'm just gonna close out my run up here, guys, on Meta. I'm all out. I don't wanna give any more on. These premium decays are just insane. Unfortunately, can't control them. We entered around 5 or 650, so. Green on the shit, but by no means it's a glamorous. Not even gonna try to say, but execution-wise it was fine, but premium-wise, not.
Bro, these videos be long as shit. I don't even be trying to make these videos that long, bro. It just price action. For real. Stay like that for the whole 15 minutes. I'm not worried. I don't have FOMO. I think for me.
All right, Spy. I'm losing my goddamn patience here. Yeah, the range is terrible, dude.
So Bloomberg must like
Terrible.
switch their folks out.
Maybe it's possible they want us to stay range bound until Palace beats.
Like
That could
every
be
week or
what
some shit.
the market wants to do today. What does that mean when you're in the trade long? It just means that, you know, you're losing patience. It could mean that you're just, you know, tired of focusing in on that one chart, waiting for it to go, right?
Been like that this past couple of days.
Yeah, no, I already agree with you guys on Spy, but
Not only did niggas lose their patience,
I'm gonna retire this idea.
niggas pay tuition. I'm gonna be like that though. So get what? I'm gonna work so I can put more money in my account, so I can risk more, leverage more. I mean, ultimately, be a better trader.
Yeah, Mike, the Amazon.
Michael Jordan lost six years in a row, didn't it? Some shit like that.
Spy equally went up the same amount we stopped on Amazon. Spy went up, so you just have to move on to the next trade.
So sometimes it's gonna be like that, which I ain't worried. You're gonna have to keep going.
Yeah, Amazon was a loss. It wasn't a bad loss though. We didn't add to it or anything.
No.
I knew I wasn't tripping. Like, nigga, this shit bugging. I'm telling you, then they're finna put on a fishing video, but I ain't even gonna do that.
532. You're great below 532. I'm just gonna sell.
For real.
Giving it a second though. About 31.70. All right.
What if I did down? That shit won't be too good.
Are they gonna wake it up here?
I wonder if I can call the video off this level. Call same shit. Damn, look what the fuck happened last time. Wow, and this was almost the same time. This was Thursday the 10th. Wow. I made low calls from the video. Wait, it's 5 minutes. Damn. That's so crazy. I'm telling you I made low calls. Made low calls from the video. Still. Liquidity sweet. Liquidity grab. Okay.
Is this it?
Now I'm back at price. Nice. Yep, I did.
Every
go to the
level
line chart.
maintaining here. Look at this. Look at SPY. SPY still maintaining the same exact spot. Amazon holding well too. Amazon pushing higher. Individual betas. NVIDIA is the only actual weak name on the day today, but most names actually did find support. Actually, Apple lost level too. That is also true. Apple and NVIDIA both.
Oh, weak name meaning like that shit. I don't know. I thought NVIDIA would be a strong, but I guess it's weak technically because it's to the downside. That's what I'm guessing.
SPY's back at that struggle spot. High contracts are still green, up 15, 16%.
Fucking AMD back down to 89. That is crazy. I wish I should have. Damn. Looking at it.
It's clear this out though.
Nigga possibly could have waited. Possibly could have waited. It's a little longer for the video to go back down.
I think I can do it. Look at Amazon.
Amazon near break even ish. Right at 1%. I told y'all what it's gonna do. Watch the next one be a move down.
Right. Up.
I'm banking on a move down right here, bro. So I ain't changed this shit yet, for real. I just did. I'm banking on a move down. After this 5 minutes. Hopefully, we can get that. I love bad bitches. Bad bitches love me.
Which is back to 30.
What is? What?
Wix is back to 30. Now it's gonna rip. It's just, I just don't know. It's just, the premiums are just like untradeable right now. Looking at all of these names, this chop is killing everything. I should just go for next week contract or something.
I don't think next week's will move though.
Yo, this nigga is funny as fuck, bro.
I think next week should be cleaner. These are now can trade Netflix next week.
What should happen?
Yo.
I'm gonna get back in. I will keep holding. I just can't control these premium moments, unfortunately. I have the 515s on Meta, and they're holding so much better than the 520s.
Okay. I am green 22% now. $533 seems to be that next level though. Has to push out this 533.
Don't go back up yet. Calm down. Look back. What not? Technically, you do gotta go back up. I just said that.
I think a big candle is coming.
I'm kind
What I
of
just said,
seeing
yeah.
this shit.
Fix is dropping. It's gonna go soon.
I could have got. Hold on.
Little news candle.
Nigga anticipating the news candle is crazy.
I'm so tempted to get back in my data, but I'm not gonna take another one. You guys see that, like, we're not getting a single candle close under that 507.50.
Ain't gonna
You
lie,
guys
but
are
look at
just
Spy.
giving
My
me
nigga,
some
Spy is
vote of
going
confidence.
up.
I know some of you guys are still holding.
You feel me? Spy is way. Well, I ain't gonna say way, but Spy is up from his 200 EMA out to 15. I mean, it's still in that area, but
Momo, my target on SPY typically already hit. My target on SPY was 533. That's why I'm out 80% already. I got in SPY at 531. I sold 80% into 533. And now I'm just holding 20% with a target back to 534.70, 535.
oh yeah, I got my calls loaded still.
I still have a little bit of 0 days and a little bit of 1 days left, basically.
There is no play, BJ. Market is not
I'm looking for this damn setup, bro.
We can make some cash flow. That's all we can do. That's the thing. We got like a $4.
I do want to load the video cause
Premiums popped maybe 18%, 19%, but then the moment it flicked red one time, it's going back to green. So even though we entered at 506, we have to keep our stop at 509 for us to, come out like small red, like minus $10.
105 calls loaded.
So it's like impossible for you to control and manage premiums or hold any trades when there's this much job.
It looked like he rejected off
Some
this
days
level.
just free flow. Honestly, I didn't signal that upper shot of the open. I was just penny pinching a little bit. That would have been the cleanest trade of the day.
The apple was beautiful. I saw that.
Yeah, I just I just didn't want to,
It gotta close
that would have
green.
been the
It has to
easiest
close
trade.
green.
That or
Apple has to
Tesla
close green.
50. I had that on the watch. But once
Still-
it dropped,
still a
you
nice
can't go
average,
chase the
too.
shot again. I had to flip long side.
Never mind. They can do that too. Doji.
It went green several times, BJ. Even when I was on mute, it was still green. It just sucks. Unfortunately, can't control premium movement. I know you guys won't like to hear that, but it is what it is. We're not. This is a 30 now. Something's gonna happen.
Shit may flush to the downside. Who knows?
$532.20. All right, I sold my SPY in the green. I sold both my 0 days and 1 days in the green.
See how this shit just flipped.
I don't want to be holding this for too much longer, and we seem to just reject off the 533 again, like the 5th time. So, out.
It's fine, guys. I mean, we were expecting one of these days. Like we caught like 5+ trades yesterday on Monday. Fine, today price action's not great. We don't have to force the issue.
I will wait for my setup,
We'll
nigga.
see some setups. Tomorrow we'll see if we can wrap up the week strong.
Move up, move down, move up, move up, nigga.
If you won small or lost
you
small,
saying?
that's fine.
Nah,
None of the trades did like
move
crazy
up,
down or anything.
move
Like that.
down,
It's fine.
move
Just
up,
keep a positive outlook and
move up.
we'll get it. We just need to wait for something proper. Right now, market is moving, contracts are not moving, so it's just we don't have to force a trade when there's like nothing there. So hope you guys understand what I'm saying.
Hasn't been the best price action these past few days.
I think today's gonna lead it. Like last few days, it's fine. We just
Bro,
have
I
to
really
focus.
thought
Right
coming
now,
into today's
it's kind
session
of
we was gonna see like some
choppy.
continuation. You feel me? Like,
Look at that. It's actually still holding.
you feel me?
That same 532.
That's why I ain't-
price
bro, I ain't
it's gonna
tripping
do it.
for it.
I'm very.
I lost
pretty
that little,
confident SPY's gonna
lost
break
that little
through
dog shit on.
the 532.
What's the name? I ain't tripping.
But I
can
actually
go to
did
my
sell.
account.
I wanted to
be
keep
like,
myself
fuck.
green today because I
But
just want to be
fuck
green,
that
but
shit.
It probably does. Excuse me. Probably does break.
And looking
I
at it,
think,
bro,
though, if you are long,
I'm
you just
considering
simply
goddamn
walk
taking my
That should be your mindset.
taking my money out
Walk
of
532. Stop loss.
out of that spot. I mean, not, but out of my long position, out of my swing. Yeah, I maybe, I don't know. I gotta see because it'd be way better. For real. But we're gonna
The
see.
news from yesterday. Curious about your bullish today, Gio. I'm bullish today because I was short today, and I saw what happened when I was short, right? I saw price action flip, and I know a lot of other people probably got flipped on that short. And I was like, okay, market actually is holding demand, right? Look at the 530 break and reclaim today, 10 o'clock. They just basically swept liquidity today, because a lot of people were coming in thinking bearish. Even I was more bearish today. And then shit, market reclaimed. Okay, so our only thing we could do on SPY now was long above VWAP, or sorry, long above 531, which is that little intraday pivot. I think that there's probably like an 80% chance we tap 534 today. You see Powell saying good news. I have no idea what Powell's going to say. Obviously, everything I'm saying is up until Powell at 1:30.
Nah,
I
facts.
have no idea.
I wonder. Yo, I wonder if I can just stay on this shit. No cap. See that setup? Spank it. For real.
Volume is tight across the market. So if they do take it, they can squeeze higher a little bit. Real supply is around that 536, 535.
Nigga talking about Russia and China have some type of half grand. Hold on, my nigga. Yo, why the fuck? I mean, free. Shit. Anyway. What? How do you even say this word, my nigga? I don't even know.
That. They really just want to keep it pinned today. That's wild. It looked like it was gonna break again there. I definitely think though today just run, right? You've seen that Monday, you've seen it Tuesday, now you're seeing it Wednesday too. Get your money if you have it today and run. If you're a little bit red today, it's okay. Journal it, right? Understand what you did right, understand what you did wrong, and come into tomorrow's session.
I really applaud myself, bro. I do not care about that loss. Like, I'm telling you, like, I haven't took another trade since that loss, but I've been looking to take another trade since that loss. You feel me?
It's gonna break eventually. I'm pretty confident it'll break eventually.
Damn, them levels on Apple might be a little bit too wide, cuz. Apple might be looking like puts. Hey, yo, at this point, yo, I'm finna throw my phone that late. I'm playing. Got it. My damn hair braided. This shit don't make no sense, bro.
533, and it should squeeze down.
Nigga, if it do, it do. If it do, it do. Nigga got me. Ain't gonna lie, looking off the 5
Yeah,
minutes.
that's it.
What is this? Can you consider this to be
a
pivot?
Phil, you guys heard me, Phil? Yeah, you guys know what I'm in.
SPY, of course. We know, Brett.
You know it.
Can you consider this a pendant off the 5 minute?
That's exactly what I was saying. If you were short this, to be honest with you, I really don't feel bad. You have to like not be looking at a chart. That's the only thing I could say. If you were short, you have to not be looking at a chart. Or you're looking at the chart maybe with like an inverse scale or something. Oh my, I signaled it. I did. Here's long since 531. I just said there's an 80% chance we were gonna break 533. Within 10 minutes it did, right? There's not much more I can do. That's like the most conviction I could possibly give.
Once I get a retest, then I'll probably get entered on Apple. I got Apple calls loaded. I'm currently at a 2.7 average. Damn. What the what?
Now they're gonna say bull trap, guys. It's not a bull trap. This is a bear trap. This is, you have to understand. This is simply bear trap. You must understand that.
Just come.
Yes, I'm still on live, guys.
Look at this candle. Rob, you see this shit?
Yeah, I mean,
What the
it was coming.
Whoa.
Like I've been telling you guys since the open.
This is no FOMO. Y'all niggas.
Unfortunately, could not.
I just thought this shit was gonna go bull. I mean,
But not to be defensive. I'm sure like you guys are like all green, so this is the decisions one. So
yo,
as long as you're not shot,
fuck, my nigga.
You're green.
Y'all ain't tell me nothing, yo. I ain't gonna lie, I could have got filled, but bro, I needed that candle to close. Yeah. It's still making the uprise off the 5 minute. When I mean uprise, I mean in like candle just went up. Then it didn't. I thought it was gonna close.
I'm done for the day also. I don't wanna
feel me.
Hopefully all of you
looking
guys
for that retest.
on the 5 hour and
Camp on the 15 minute. Why not?
You guys are holding. Hope you guys are out of jail. But yeah, see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna call it a day.
I say ride it to 200, no cap. But if no pullback, no entry, bro.
Just tapping that ES 5400
now.
I'm not shorting this though. This looks like squeeze.
I'm be very trying
to. The only short was off the open. It just didn't get close enough for me.
I don't think I heard me.
Maybe could have taken 1 DT, but
I'm gonna try to be very disciplined. You feel me?
I had 535 on SPY. I mean, it went to like 534.80 or 533.80. I mean, so still over $1 away from my level. That's why I didn't get filled on SPY shorts off the open. That would have been nice, but it was just too far away from my level to scale in.
Boy. I'm gonna have me some books behind me.
Took a loss on Amazon.
I'm on.
Didn't have
yo,
size,
if
so.
y'all can go back in the video.
Make it back tomorrow.
I don't know where I said it, but I know I mentioned fucking millionaire mindset.
Obviously, conditions not great, but at least you had the right
Secrets
buy.
of the Millionaire Mind.
Down out of Amazon at the
By
right time.
T.
That's all you can do. Right?
Harv.
That's all you can
Ecker.
do.
I think that's how you say his name. Shout out, bro. Nice content in his book. But
I did exactly what me, Mike, and Rob.
I was reading it
like,
up to like page 70.
We were expecting.
Then I stopped to focus on one book. Now I'm down there done with this book.
Mike, you watching anything else?
No, man.
We can call it.
Yeah.
A lot of information.
All right. I'll see you guys.
Good tomorrow.
Okay.
Look at the video off that level I said. Damn. Bro, I gotta go back to my to that what's the name? No such thing as a gut feeling. More so what is it called? See, now cons are at fucking 310 average. Like what? I'm gonna be killing it. Trust me, I'm gonna be killing it in a minute. I'm learning. I'm still learning. I feel like I could have got in so many times. I could have got in this shit going down. I could have got in this shit going up. You feel me? Like playing it off this level. Never broke below that level. It went down there at the level, closed right here. Next close is up here. This is probably the entry right here, somewhere right there. Or somewhere right here. But it never closed for real for me. I'm saying that like it was Like I was saying this shit. Let's talk about this. Why didn't I get filled on this yet? And I seen it come down a little. I mean, seen it go down a little bit. See how it's coming down now? Averaging. I mean, probably can get average in now. Let's see. But anyway, well, I didn't get filled on this. I thought I was gonna make some type of flag or pendant. You feel me? No. She made a weird ass. Oh, it was a doji. Yeah, it was a red and a doji. Then it go up. I be trying to look like boom, 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 boom. Trying to look at the opens and the more so the closes. If you look at the closes and stuff, you'll realize what I'm talking about. Cause you won't have to, you feel me, keep flipping that line chart. But I'm getting better at that shit every day, 1%. You know. Anyway, so I didn't get emotional. It's still, you feel me, 15 minutes. You know, what this down there. What's the name? This shit went all the way up at the fucking 21. No, 13. Sorry. Don't tell me it's closing below the 8. That's crazy. I mean, I did. Can you classify this as a pendant, bro? Hold on. Let me see. Damn, why is this shit short? I mean, small like that. Oh, I can see the whole fucking picture, yo. Look like it's come back down to test that high. Let's see what it do. Should I get filled? Oh wow. Not technically a pendant. Let me see. Bro, I say it is, bro. I say it is, cause based on what it did, like I could have got a little 10%. No biggie. I mean, yeah, definitely, because I'm looking. This is a bull, my nigga. This is bull all day. I'm just seeing, bro. Like, just seeing where I can get into that. You feel me? Do I still feel good? Not like what I was before. But I'm still optimistic in the market. That's what I'm smelling. And it's still above VWAP. Went right back under the 200. It's maybe the momentum going up, you feel me? How that shit just went down. The momentum may be going back up. They all be spanking shit off the 5 minute, bro. Bro, that shit 2 hours, bro. I ain't, bro. Hold on. Hey, hold on, bro. Let me check something right fast. Hold on. I just got filled on a video. I know this shit is late ass pause, but based off this candle off the 5 minute, and this is a rejection level, and I'm just testing my theory. So let's see. 5 more minutes to this shit close. Maybe a third lower high forming. So let's see. I kind of did get in because I seen my nigga Rav was still trading. I was like, bro, why not? Why not at least try? You feel me? Stops is gonna be tight. I want to say no more than like 15, 10 to 15 max. I just like this bounce off this level. I just gotta close good. But a good 5 minute. Right here, close, nice. See if we can get a push up. Really, to be honest, I can just, I don't even really want to look at all this stuff. I can see a spike in volume as well. A little green volume candle. Yeah, that shit flip quick. Damn, I'm psyching. I tried to type 1 minute. I don't know what's the name is for 1 minute. Oh, I don't want to see something out this level. I don't know not to never do that again. I was just trying to see. I was just trying to see something for real. What the hell is this? What the? I ain't even. Maybe I gotta just refresh this shit anyway. And I know I got in because I seen this earlier, and I just want to make sure, like, ain't no make sure. I wanted to get in because I seen it, and I believe it could do the same thing. Once again, let me go and stop capping on the 5 minute. See, that shit cold. Let's see. Okay. I believe this shit is lagging. Contracts are moving ass. I cannot lie. Contracts are moving dog water. I may just get out, bro, and just call it a day. I ain't gonna lie, cause I'm down. I'm out. I sold. I did sell. I want to say that was it was a panic sell, but contracts are moving trash, bro. Hold on, let me make sure I ain't tripping. Yeah, contracts are moving ass. I still believe this shit has potential to go up. I want to see how I close out the 2 minute though. I ain't gonna go nowhere just yet. Nice. Wow. And yeah, this shit move ass, bro. This shit moves terrible. Hold on, I ain't even on the right account. $2. Shut the fuck up. But anyway, I think that's gonna wrap this video up. On the 2 trades, I was being very patient today. I still like this, but I'm gonna be there when I could just be like, okay, boom, I like it off this level. We're gonna hold, ride it out. It's comments on the way, right here, right now. Let's do it.